back to Wake Up South America.
Today we are having a special on the physical and geographic aspects of South America.
First off, just so you all viewers know, the geography of South America contains many diverse climates and regions that impact the society around it.
Now to start off the broadcast, we will be discussing the hot topic of the Andes Mountains.
The Andes are the longest mountain ranges in the world. It is 5,000 miles long, aka 8,000 kilometers long. The Andes passes through 15 different territories. Originally, the Andes were uplifted during the Cretaceous and Tertiary periods. Due to volcanoes and earthquakes, they are still rising. The Andes Mountains climate is one of the most interesting climates in the world because it changes drastically throughout the region. For example, the Andes crosses Colombia and Ecuador. In Colombia, it rains often, but in Ecuador, it's usually dry. The temperature can range greatly depending on where you are also. Today in Quechua and the Aymaria tribes, they are the main indigenous peoples of the Andes. Because of the scarcity of water in the mountains, agriculture is difficult. Tobacco, cotton, and coffee are grown as their main export. Copper, silver, tin, and iron and gold are mined, and even some petroleum has been found. As you can see, the Andes has a wide variety of exports that people use every day. Because of the Andes Mountains being a barrier to some tribes, they have been and caused to be less developed than others.
Wow, Bonnie, the Andes Mountains are quite the topic to talk about.
Oh, Maddie, just wait until you hear about our next topic, the Amazon rainforest.
Yeah, it covers 1.4 billion of acres in South America. It covers almost the entire Amazon basin, mostly in Brazil, but also extending into neighboring countries. However, 14% of the rainforest has already been destroyed. The rainforest has a warm, wet, humid, sticky climate, and rains every day at very regular intervals, starting and ending very suddenly. This is called conventional rainfall. Due to the outside world and deforestation on the Amazon rainforest today, almost no forest Armenians live in their fully traditional ways. Instead of wearing traditional garb of loin clothes, most Armenians wear Western clothes and may use metal pots, pans, and utensils for everyday life.
Wow, it really goes to show how others can impact you. I hope you guys are ready to hear our next topic. It's what's on everybody's mind, the Amazon River. Oh yes, it's the second largest river in the world after the Nile River. The length of the river is from the Brazilian border to the mouth of the Negro River. The Amazon carries more water than any other river in the world. The width of the Amazon varies from about 1 mile to about 6.2 miles at its low stage, but expands during the season to 30 miles or more. The Amazon is an amazing river by so many measures. The volume of the water carries out to sea. Approximately 20% of all the fresh water is discharged into the oceans. The area of the land drains into it, and its length of width. Geologically, the Amazon basin is a sediment-filled structure that helps out its agricultural imports, and, for example, rich in nutrient crops. The rich soil is a huge impact on the people who live near the Amazon River.
The Atacama Desert is a virtually rainless plateau in South America covering a 600-mile strip of land on the Pacific coast of South America west of the Andes Mountains. The Atacama Desert, according to NASA, National Geographic, and many other publications, the driest desert in the world due to rain shadow on the leeward side of the Chilean coast range, as well as a coastal inversion layer created by the cold offshore Humboldt Current. The Atacama occupies 40,600 square miles in northern Chile, composed of mostly salt basins, sand, and felsic lava flows towards the Andes. The Atacama is a growing society with most cities located along the Pacific coast.
Wow, the Atacama Desert seems really fun, but our last topic is the Brazilian highlands. The Brazilian highlands are an extensive geographical region covering most of the eastern and southern central portions of Brazil, approximately half of the country's land area. In addition, the vast majority of Brazil's population lives in the highlands, or on the narrow region coast. Erosion has also played a large part in the shaping of the highlands, forming extensive sedimentary deposits and wearing down the mountains. The Brazilian highlands are notable for the great diversity that are found there and are vastly different climate regions. Many types of soil and thousands of animals and plant species live there.
Wow, that's crazy. Well, that's it for tonight, folks. Hope to see you next week.
You won't want to miss our next episode. It's all about the vegetation of South America. Tune in at 8 next Monday.